Selecting the ideal garage door repair company can transform your home's safety and convenience. It's worth your attention. Garage doors play a pivotal role in providing security and aesthetic appeal to your home. When they malfunction, the stakes can be high. Reliable repair services ensure your garage door functions smoothly and enhances your home's safety. Don't underestimate the importance of choosing wisely. Expert technicians boast the experience required for effective garage door repairs. Their vast skills make navigating complex issues easier and faster. Reading customer reviews is one of the simplest ways to assess a repair company's reliability. Positive feedback can significantly influence your decision-making. Emergency services are a must when choosing a garage door repair company. You need professionals who can act swiftly to resolve urgent problems. A reputable company should offer a wide range of repair services, covering every aspect of garage door maintenance. This avoids the hassle of multiple providers. Warranties on repairs and parts showcase a business's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. It's an assurance that your investment is protected. Watch out for red flags that indicate unreliable service providers. High-pressure tactics and lack of transparency can lead to poor outcomes. Ultimately, trusting a professional with garage door repairs ensures safety and peace of mind for homeowners. Choose wisely and enjoy lasting results.